How to add transitions on Instagram Reels. So if you want to add transitions between your Instagram photos and videos, or photos and photo, or video and photos, just like this, and I want to add transition to it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you have multiple photos you uploaded to Instagram, and I want to transit between one photos and the other, then here's a video to guide you. You can see it. This is my Reels, and then I have this reel uploaded myself, and I added transition to it. So if you want to add transition or similar transition to this, then let me show you how to do this. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to add transitions on Instagram Reel is go ahead and open the Instagram app, click on the plus icon, then scroll to Reels. Make sure you select the reel you want to add transitions to. So let's say these ones. So just let's go. You can select as many as possible reels you want to select. So just go ahead and then select the reels. Then go ahead, click on next. Here you'll be prompted to add audio. You can just skip. No need for audio. Then here are all your reels. So you can see these are my reels. Then the next one to do is click on edit video. Now click in between each of the reels. Once you click on them, you should see this separation comes up. So just make sure you swipe to in between the reels where two reels joins together, and then click in between it. Then if you see the separation, now you can see choose transition. Now here, come here and select your choice of transition. So once you're done, go ahead and click on done. Then what you want to do is you want to apply this to all your Instagram reels combined, or you want to choose different transition for different connection on the reels. So I'll just come back again, click on this, then select another type of transition. You see that? Preferably, I always prefer to set the same transition on my reels, then go ahead and click on apply to all. Then if you come back here, click on play. You see that? Then you're gonna see the reel transiting. You see that? So that is how you can easily add transition to Instagram reels. Now, if you want to add music or audio, just come here, click on audio or clip. After then, just go ahead and click on next, and then share your reels on your Instagram. Then you're gonna wait for this to upload, and once the upload is completed, then you're gonna see the reels just like this. You see that? So you can do this whenever you're uploading reels on Instagram to add transitions to it. So that is basically how to add transitions on Instagram reels. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.